What you're now seeing is a 16-step procedural activity for the isolation of a FinFan cell. Every single action from the initial safety checks to the final lockout-tagout is precisely mapped out, guiding the user through the exact real-world sequence. This fully built, multi-step procedure is now ready to train users for critical tasks, ensuring absolute precision and safety in operation. Upon completing your training, EON XR provides a comprehensive final report chart. This includes a spider chart for a visual overview of your skills, a summary report, and a detailed report. These reports precisely show how you performed, where you excelled, and highlight any areas needing further practice, ensuring targeted improvement and true mastery. From intelligent creation to precise performance analysis, EON XR delivers real-world skills in real time. The future of proficient training is here.
Tackle complex questions. However, engagement scored 6 out of 10, suggesting room for improvement in participating more actively by asking questions and exploring additional content. Knowledge retention scored 5 out of 10, indicating a need to enhance memory retention techniques, perhaps by taking notes or reviewing material more thoroughly. The knowledge simulator score of 0 highlights a significant area for improvement.